Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbird143. You are watching Facebook tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to archive and delete a photo or video from our story on Facebook. Log into the Facebook. In my previous tutorial, we have seen how to create a story on Facebook. Whether our Facebook story has one or multiple images or videos and want to delete a specific element from our story, just to follow the steps showing here. Select the story from which you want to delete the elements. Come to the picture and click on three dot icon showing on the top. From the option, select to delete photo or video. Then it will ask for the confirmation. Delete this photo from your story. If it is okay, just click on delete. Repeat this process to delete any number of your photos or videos. The deleted content is permanently removed from our Facebook. But one thing, remember that when we delete a photo or video from our Facebook story, it will also be deleted from the Messenger. Any changes we apply to our story will update automatically across both apps. Similarly, if you don't want to see your friends' stories, we can't delete them, but we can mute their stories so that it does not show up in our story section. To mute the stories, click on three dots, select to mute and your friend name. You will stop seeing their story but will remain friends. As we all know, in Facebook, stories will disappear from public view after 24 hours, but if we want, we can access our content even after 24 hours by enabling our story archive. When this option is enabled, all our stories are automatically archived after 24 hours, and if we not enable this option, our stories will be not available to us and our audience after 24 hours. To enable story archive, click on settings on stories page. Also, we can enable story archive by clicking on profile picture. In this, come to archive. Here it will show the stories previously we archived. If not, we need to enable story archive. For that, click on gear icon. You will get like this. If story archive is not enabled, click on turn on story archive. After this, photos and videos automatically archive after they disappear from our story. One thing, remember that only we can see these archived stories, and in the future if you want to delete the archived stories, click on archive, select the story you want to delete. Again, click on three dot icon. From the options, please select delete photo. In the confirmation window, click on delete and the photo or video will be removed from the archive. And if you want to see the friend stories that we have muted, come to the story, click on settings. Here we can find the stories you have muted. Again, if you want to unmute him, just click on unmute. And if we want, we can also set the privacy for the stories. To control who can view our Facebook stories, click on story privacy and choose a suitable option and click on save. Like this, we can archive and delete a photo or video from our story on Facebook. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click a like button and share this video with our friends. ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.